Oh, we're going to go around. Hello, everybody. Today we are in a whole nother state. We have traveled a whole nother state over from the state that we are based in. Hopefully be in and out. I don't want to be here too long, much longer than I gotta be. It's kind of a busy day today. Oh no, we can't go this way. We're gonna have to turn around. Line up my tires. I love that this truck has a lot of nice modern features. It's got a really nice backup camera. Now, my regular Cummins, my 5.9 2006, doesn't got none of this fancy equipment stuff. It is just a regular truck. So this thing is really a step up from the truck that I usually drive. The truck I usually drive is really kind of more 2000s. You can tell. CD player, stock, everything's stock on it. This thing's stock too. I love it, but oh, this thing's got like almost a self-driving feature with a steering wheel that I was not expecting this thing to have. It's this little button here. Push it on and off. Gives you that lane sense, is what it's called. Lane sense. Lane sense is probably the coolest thing I've seen in a car. It's got these sensors somewhere, I don't even know where, and it can tell if you're in the line or not, which is very impressive for a commercial truck. This is considered a commercial truck, even for manufacturing. Very impressive from Ram. Ram is one of my favorites. You know, everybody's got their trucking brand. Ram is my favorite trucking brand. And if I had a second, because I'm not going to be one of those, my second choice would be a Chevy. And then the third choice would be a Ford. And I'm not going to dog anybody for driving or liking what they like. We're all different. And we all see things differently, and I just like the look of a Ram, so that's just the way it is, you know. So we're here at this site. Let's see, I'm gonna go in and just act like I own the place, really. Let's just put our lights on, activate the lights. We're gonna go in and just act like we own the place. So we'll see you at the truck. We're here at the trailer. Evidently we're at a trailer. Let's see what we got here. See what we got here. And can we take a guess at what happened here? That right out. See that right there? I am so good. So good. We're gonna jack it up right now. This is a Low Pro G316. See what caused this one to blow out, but let's see. cut this out, cut this out. This right here is what we apply. For those of you who do not do this all day long, this is tire and tube mounting compound. It's got rust inhibitor, all the jazz. What's in this stuff though? Doesn't tell you what's in it. Alright. Flashing lights. So we're gonna lay out our little thing here. Lay out our carpet, magic carpet ride. Yes. Gonna make it a little bit more soapier. Just a little bit. You don't need that much. Try to get everything a little laid out before I start. Kind of does make things go a little easier. You got things laid out before you begin. So that's Bluetooth, wireless, Bluetooth. you get lucky, alright?
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
No cheetah. This is pretty much everything you could hope for as a tire guy. Easy mounts, easy dismounts. This is textbook tiring right here. Chicken tire, you always put it on the side of it. It's usually the safest place. This thing blows out, heaven forbid, it would shoot this rim either this direction, that direction. So you want to be inside here. Best place to be. Side of the tire. Also goes for when you're moving the tire. It's completed. There is basically sealing the rim, inside rim to the rim. Get it up, slide it on. And you got your head up against the rim. Plate the tire like this. Like this is always a weird feeling, but there's no other way. It's best to not think about it. This content, drop it a like, give it a subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.